You know that yesterday I did some pictures. Well, I'm terrible drawing. But I was meditating and kind of thinking about this exact concept, that it was always there, but I didn't know it was there.
Yeah.
Right? And then in the meditation, what came to my mind was like a waterfall that we have inside, running here, right? And with the mind, it's like if we put this waterfall inside of a small box, you don't hear the sound of the water, you don't feel the, how to say, you don't see it, it's there, but you have no access to it somehow. And then what came to my mind, what do we use to drink
The straw.
Yeah, straw? And then with meditation, yoga is like putting the straw in the box to reach the waterfall, you know, there is something there.